a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in a mind.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from QVR, Queen Virgin Remy. Hopping straight into the video, first out of the box, you're going to get a thank you card. After that thank you card, you're going to get a little baggie, and within that baggie, you'll be getting an edge brush along with an edge band. And then of course comes the star of the show, the unit. Today's unit is a super beginner friendly unit. It's a V-part kinky curly type of unit, and it comes in multiple lengths of 14 all the way down to 30 inches. I received the 18 inch. The cap construction for this unit comes with 5 claw clips in total, like around the V-part section. It also has 3 combs, one on each side and then one in the very back. Then it also comes with a security band attached that you can remove if you choose to do so, and also adjust. On that security band, it does come with like silicone ridges, and that's to help make sure that the unit stays in place even more. Now for me personally, I couldn't just wear this unit straight out of the box. I saw that there were some defined curls in the back, and I was just like, yeah, I know I can get this whole unit defined. So these are the 2 products that I went in and washed the unit with. I use these 2 products on pretty much all of my units, and you can pick them up at like Target and Walmart. I want to say it ranges from about 10 to 15 bucks. I don't know, it helps me out. But the density of this unit is 180%, and it comes with 2 different cap types, either the normal or the breathable. I received the normal. If you're someone who's not into lace, or you're just not really into the whole sprays and glues, or you just simply want the convenience of wearing a unit, I would highly suggest a V-part or a U-part unit. Like, you'll see how beginner friendly they are. Now that you guys know all of the specs regarding the unit, we are going to go ahead and install her. But before installing her, I did want to let you guys know that this unit isn't completely dry, but that's okay because I really don't want it completely dry. Seeing as how I am going to go in with my Nairobi foaming lotion and kind of just clump some of the curls together. I can tell that the unit is drying already, and it is drying with the curls defined. But again, I want some like clump together type of curls, so I'm going to go in with that. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Queen Virgin Remy. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. You don't really typically see U-part or V-part units on my channel because I'm not the biggest fan of them. I decided to give this one a chance from QVR just because I really enjoyed the orange unit that they sent me previously. I'll make sure to pop up that thumbnail right here and also link that video up in the cards and down in the description box below so you guys can check that out after this one. But like, I don't know. This one might have me second guessing U-part and V-part units. The only reason why I'm saying that is because I'm really liking the texture and also the length of this one. Like, it's really reminiscent of my own hair once I've taken it out of its braids, of course. Like, after I do my wash day, my hair looks exactly like this, like down to the texture, down to the length, even down to the like frizzies that I have going up on top. I can't lie, when I first pulled this unit out of the box, I was just kind of like, this can either go like left or right. Luckily, once I started to like wash the unit and I started to see the curls like become defined, I was like, oh yeah, I'm probably gonna like this unit just because of the texture alone. Another thing I'm really enjoying about this unit is, of course, how convenient it is. Now, don't get me wrong, I've always known that like U-part and V-part units, like that's the purpose of them, to be very convenient. I don't know, the ones that I've tried in the past, they just haven't done it for me. This one is like literal perfection. The only thing I can say that I didn't really like about the unit was how it had like a few pieces that were like a little bit longer, but I mean, clearly that's something that I could easily fix, that I did go ahead and fix with ease, and that's just taking my shears and just, you know, cutting a little bit off to where it was even for me. I feel like me taking my rat tail comb and like teasing near the tracks is also something that's helping the unit out a lot, because now you cannot see the tracks. It just looks very seamless and natural. I can also say that I appreciate the fact that this unit is big head friendly. Granted, I feel like all U-part and V-part units should be big head friendly, because I mean, the parting space in the front, like you can make it as big or as little, yeah, as you want it. This is very random, but like I've been trying to go to the gym lately, and usually I'll just wear like a baseball cap. I look really just not put together. I feel like with this unit, seeing as how convenient it is, and let's be real, I always have my little straight backs in because I mean, I do a lot of wig reviews. I don't know, I just feel like this one will be very convenient for me to just like throw on and, I don't know, like look somewhat put together, whether it's going to the gym, whether it's dropping off my kids, like no matter what. Like, I feel like I can look put together now with ease. I don't have a whole lot to say in regards to this unit. For me, it's another winner chicken dinner. So thank you so much to QVR for sending over this unit. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.